Freelancers always think and worry that the first impression is what matters. But what if I told you that it's actually the last impression that seals the deal? So imagine being the client's top choice all the time. So keep watching, because today I'll reveal the final impression hack guaranteed to make clients choose you over all the other freelance applicants. So if you're ready, grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Alright, so here's the issue, guys. Many freelancers underestimate the power of a lasting final impression. And often, they lose clients to those who leave the strongest impact in the end. Alright, so let's break down the 3 reasons why this problem exists. Number 1, a lot of freelancers focus on a strong opening, impressing the clients initially, but fail to have a strong closing strategy. Number 2, they have a lack of awareness of the gestures that build a strong, lasting impression. And finally, number 3 is the failure to follow up effectively, leaving a memorable mark. But you can change all of that by mastering the art of leaving a great final impression. Let's explore how you do that. Alright, so if you're ready, here's the method I'd like you to use. First is recap. Second is reinforce. And then third is reassure. So that's your recap, reinforce, and reassure method. So let's break it down. First one, recap. What you want to do here is you want to summarize the key points discussed and ensure that there's a mutual understanding between you and the client. Second one is reinforce. What you want to do here is highlight your commitment to delivering exceptional results. And third one is to reassure. You want to provide a clear follow-up plan and express gratitude for the opportunity. Now, why does this approach work? First is that it leaves no room for miscommunication or doubt, because once you recap the entire conversation, then you know you're both on the same page, right? Second one is that it reinforces your reliability and dedication to the project. When you're reinforcing and then you're highlighting your commitment to delivering the services, this showcases your reliability and also your dedication. And finally, it reassures clients, making them feel valued and confident in their choice. So one of the biggest things is that clients want to know more about what's in the unknown, right? Because when they're starting a new relationship with a new freelancer, a new team member, there's a lot of unknowns. And the more you're able to provide clarity and expectation setting regarding the unknowns, the more they can trust you and feel confident that you are the person for the job. All right, so let's take this to the real world. Let's say you're finishing up on an interview, and then the client says, "It was great talking to you. Thank you for your time." And then a bad freelancer could respond and say, "Yeah, you too. Thanks for your time. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you. Bye." On the other hand, what you can do after the client would say it was great talking to you, you can respond and say something like, "Absolutely, Mr. Client. It was a pleasure speaking with you as well. And just to do a quick recap, we're aligned on A, B, and C. I'm committed to delivering exactly what you're looking for regarding the tasks, and I'll follow up with a more detailed plan for you on how I'll do that by tomorrow at 12 o'clock. Thank you again for considering me for this opportunity." And with that, the client would say, "Wow, that's impressive. Thanks for the recap. I'm looking forward to your plan, and then hopefully we'll speak with you soon." So by doing this, you literally didn't do anything or change anything about your application details. The only tweak you would have done is made a better lasting impression by leaving a stronger closing line. All right, so here's my challenge to you. During your interviews, I'd like you to start drafting out your last impression following the recap, reinforce, and reassure method. And then keep refining your recap, reinforce, and reassure script until you can finally land that client, right? So drop your results in the comments below, drop your final lines, and then again, we'll react to them we'll give them some feedback. Before you go and do that, here's one last thing for you. During client calls, let's say you close the deal with the client and you're interacting with the client. Do you get nervous? Are you wondering what to say to these clients during client calls in order to make sure that you have a successful working relationship with them? If you're interested in knowing more about that, make sure to subscribe to the video and click that notification bell, because in the next one, I'm gonna share with you additional lines that you can use during your client interactions in order to guarantee success. So with that said, make sure to like the video, drop your comments, and I'll see you guys on the next one.